So this is my dust extraction. I got this from YouTube. I'm sort of refining it with a green glove, which I use for tiling, which I'm going to slot in there a bit like from a science lab, and then you will be able to chase walls, etc., using a hoover and the glove, which I'll explain later. I've drilled a little hole there which fits into the hoover attachment, which will dust extract. And now I'm hot gluing. Using hot glue, amazing stuff. I've got a few of them. I'm using 15mm pipe insulation to form a seal around the edge, so all will be revealed. I'm going to test out my new dust extraction. So as you can see, I need to chase out. I didn't cut the tiles big enough for these 600 porcelains for the 2-gang socket, so I need to grind out a little piece there. So if you look, this is the insulation that's hot glued in. Got the hole ready for my hoover. Okay, now I've got my science glove. So I'm a scientist, just sealed with hot glue. So dust should mainly stay in there. So I'm going to be using my Makita wet vac. So let's give it a go. So right, this is a success. So what I did, placed this. It's a bit cumbersome, you could make smaller sizes. So I put my angle grinder with the diamond blade at the time. I then placed that inside the box, slid this under. It just fitted in my under my worktop. So, but this was mainly done for before cabinets are done in or chasing walls, etc. So grinder is now inside the box. Hoover plugs into the said opening, seals around there. The insulation now presses nicely against the tiles. I have had no dust in it. This would be clouded with dust, even just grinding out for the chase for the electrical socket. So then my science glove in, I can control it. It's not easy, and I can modify it, but my hand's now in, holding the grinder, hoover's on, I can see through. Might be an idea to get a clearer box possibly in the future if I made another one, or make a smaller sized one, or add something where it swivels on here, but I can move it and it works. So it's ideal for maybe cutting a tile in a house. You could place this on the floor. So if you're cutting a tile, grinding in a bathroom, you could put the tile inside, maybe clamp it, I'll have to think, but on a bench you could clamp the tile where you want to cut, put this over the top, so you're up in a bathroom, hand in there, and then grind away with the hoover. Fantastic. I'll feedback, I'll see how it gets on, but it took me half hour to do, it'd take me 10 minutes and I've got all the idea, and we'll feedback from there. Thank you.